My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Started back in 1973. I've worked thousands of cases. I'm a national expert in tax resolution. I have a very large professional following, about 2,500 members on my Facebook group. What I try to do here is kind of pull back the curtain and let you know what you need to do, especially from being and working for IRS and being in a professional practice, and how I can help you with your situation. Today I'm going to talk to you about why you should not hire a big tax resolution company. I'm not telling you this obviously for patronizing reasons. I have my own firm, but you don't see what I see. You don't see the hundreds of calls I get a year and people reaching out to me and saying, "Hey, I've been ripped off, my money back, they're not returning my calls, nothing's been done, I'm getting notices and letters." I probably get a call probably once every 3 days. It's a very sad and unfortunate process really that's going on. What happened in the resolution industry? A lot of these people were in mortgage, then they went to credit, then they went to student loans industries, and finally they found something they can kind of a new industry, the tax resolution company. By the way, my stream is bad today. It's the beach here, really. I'm not that far from the beach. So, and you find yourself absolutely stuck. So, what is the problem and why do you stay away? You should know that when you call a large tax resolution company, you're going to talk to a salesman that is going to assess you. He has a script he's going to follow, and his job is to make the most amount of money he can. He gets a good bulk of what you're paying. The second group obviously is the company, and believe it or not, who makes the least is the person working your case. Sometimes you have 3 layers of people that you have to get to. The problem with larger firms, and they're not all bad, they're not all bad at all. I don't want to make a general, I know some big firms that are good. It all depends who's working your case. If you have a very competent person working your case, that's great. The problem is people working these cases are always transferring. You're doing virtual work for many people. Some don't even know what companies they're working for. That's some of the problems in hiring big tax resolution companies. You call one day, someone else is there, you've given your money, they take days to get back with you, they send you an email, you haven't resolved the problem, and now you have a bunch of IRS letters and notices, and some people have levies and garnishments sitting there. Well, there's a lot of good big resolution companies. It comes down to this: who's working the case and how much access you have to the person working your case. So if you get ripped off by one of these companies, you're getting stalled. Oh, I should mention, until you pay your whole fee, they're not going to work your case. They're going to keep your case open until you pay them. They're no fools. So that's sometimes it sounds like a discount, but it isn't. They're going to get their money. But anyway, make sure that you talk to the person working your case and know the expected results. If you're not getting them, 2 things to do: make sure you take to social media to warn others, and the only person who is going to go ahead and jump in that company is your power of attorney, because that person who has that power of attorney, you can go ahead and contact the IRS under a Circular 230 violation, and contact the State Licensing Bureau or the Department of Professional Regulation. And you should follow up and do it. Don't let companies get away. The best people to hire are smaller firms. Like our firm. I'm not. This is self-patronizing, but when I'm doing the work, you pick up the phone and call me. You want to be able to use a firm that you can email. You're going to get an email back, or you can pick up the phone and talk to your CPA, tax attorney, or enrolled agent. So that's just some of the rules. But anyway, it's just a caution to everybody. By the way, if this is good information to you, if you would hit the subscribe button, it lets everyone know at least I have some value and not just some quack, which I probably am. So anyway, you can call me, contact me, email me. Have a good one. Nice talking to you today.